guys, my name is Ritwij and welcome back to my channel. To get started, let's create the photo. On your computer, in the My Document folder, and name it Excel Practice. This will help all your tutorial file organized. Now open Excel. The appearance of Excel may vary depending on your version, but the functionality remains the same. Next, let's enter some data into our worksheet. You can enter any numbers you like for practice. Now we format data in Microsoft Excel. We all love beautiful things, don't we? Formatting this Excel help us achieve exactly that. We can make our spreadsheet more presentable. We will use the data in the arithmetic operation table. We will make the column names bold, align serial numbers to the left, Enclose the data in boxes. Now we make column names bold. Highlight the cells that have the column name by dragging them. Click on the bold button represented by B command. Your workbook should now appear as bold. Align data to the left. We will align the serial numbers to the left. Highlight all the data in the scan column. Click on the line left as shown below. Enclose the data in boxes. Highlight all the columns and rows with data. On the font ribbon bar, click on borders command and show below. You will get the following drop down menu in borders. Select the option all borders. Now let's move on to arithmetic operations in Excel. Let's start with addition. In cell E2, write the formula is equal to C2 plus D2. Now that we have done addition, let's try subtraction, multiplication and division using the knowledge we gain. For subtraction, use the minus sign like this is equal to C3 minus D3. For multiplication, use the asterisk like this is equal to C2 multiply D2. And for division, use the forward slash like this is equal to C2 slash D2. Remember to always start your formulas with the equal sign and adjust the cell addresses as needed. And there you have it. You have just learned how to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in Excel. These are essential skills that will help you work more efficiently with your data. आज की ये वीडियो में बस इतना ही। आगे आने वीडियोस के लिए लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा। थैंक यू। If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you had like us to cover in future videos. Feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and you will see you next time.